All right, here is the ZenStyle tattoo massage chair. I don't know why they put the tattoo part in there. And these are all the different parts of it. It's pretty simple to use. Folds up in about 30 seconds. You can set this whole thing up. It's really simple. And all we have to do, it's very simple. Just lift her up. Like that. Pops down. Set her down, push this out. You can push it out through here, and it comes down. Get her on there. It slides up and down. This comes up, sets in here. I'm going to put it on this one right here, I think. And then I'm going to get on here, grab this, rotates. This locks it in. Take her in here, slide her in, tighten her down. Pop this open, bring it up, find the face area. Bam, bam, ready to go. So anyway, you got your face in there, and you can adjust this, because this is a little low. So I want to bring this up a little bit, so it's even with my chest. Right about there would be good. Got my face in there, just like that. Looking good, not bad. That's a pretty good set. All right, so here you are, your face in here. And that's pretty much the way it works. If you want to loosen this, let's say you want to drop this down a little bit, then this will slide down a little if you need to, just by turning this. And you tighten it this way, it's on there, and bam, there you are, looking good. Now, when you go to put this away, you loosen the whole thing. This will slide, and you got to pop this. It drops down like that, and you just pull the whole thing out like that. Bam. And that's it. I think this is fine like it is. Just, lock it in over here. There's your lock in. Now you got to get it in the right spot, and then bam, locked in. Over here, you can see this is just sitting here. If I have to, I can pull this out and I can put it on different spots. But I mean, I don't see how it really. I would just put it on this top one, because that pushes it up the highest for your arms. Right here. That's how you want to do it, I think. So that's pretty much that. And then this one over here. There she is. I got it down there. I might want to put a little bit of an angle on it, so I might pull it up to right about here. That gives me a little bit of an angle. Not much, but you can see. And then when I'm sitting here, there it is from underneath. You can see it over here. And that's pretty much it, man. That's your massage chair. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Now, under here, when you lift this up, this thing slides in like this. That's how you're going to store this. It's out like this when it's on, and when you go to store it, you're going to push this in, and then this will just drop. And then when you're going to pick it up, it's really simple. All you do is grab this, lift it up, and it just kind of swings in, just like this, and then this comes all the way up. And that's how it looks on this side. And then we switch it over to this side, and all you do is pull this out, bring that down, and now look at it. That's it right there. I mean, you could carry it in like this if you had to. And that's what it looks from the side and the back when you're setting it, when you're putting it away. This comes all the way up. And now you can put it in its case. Set her down. And I just take it, put it right in this little spot here. And that's where it goes. And then that's ready to go into its case. That's pretty much it. All right, so right here, if you lift this high, you can see this is a big angle on it. You bring it up a little bit. And so if somebody's sitting on this, like this, it's like pushing them forward. They're like really pushed forward. And if you do that, you might have to end up angling this and changing this. If you come down lower, which I think about here, it's not too bad, because it does put the weight forward. And that's not too bad. And then, of course, really big bodies, you just leave it right there. And that's just a basic setting like this. Done. So to change it, you got super high, then 2, 3, 4, and you got 5 positions. And that's it, really. That's how it's done. So if when you want to put this away, what you're going to do is you're going to lift this up, pull this out, and drop it. See how that just dropped down there like that? To break this bad boy down, first thing I do is I come here, loosen that, everything gets loose, that slides down, this will slide right out, bam, done. Set it over here, take this big steel piece, whoops. First of all, we gotta loosen it. Take this big steel piece, bring it over here, make sure it's loose, then I tighten it down. So now it'll just stay there. So we're over here, we're gonna pull this up, push that in, like that, and that's ready to go. Over here, pull this out, just let it drop. Bam, done. Now watch how easy this is. I can do it with one hand. I'm not kidding you. I pull this up, just like on an angle here. Now watch, I'll pull these in, pull this up all the way, and this thing is done. It's ready to go. I can reach in here, grab it. There I am, ready to go. Lift it up with one hand. That's it.